we're here at this cowboy town over here in Wimberley, Texas. I don't really know what this place is, but apparently it's a Old West mini town.
The Blanco River Outfitters at the ranch office, 7A. I love that star. Looks beautiful.
All right, so this is where we're at, Pioneer Town, Texas. Here in Pioneer Town, we have recaptured a period of Texas history retaining all of the authenticity of the 1860s and 1890s by making a real working town, not just a museum. You are welcome to look around and enjoy yourself. We ask you to respect the property and caution your children about damaging anything. Do not throw rocks. No alcoholic beverages, please. This is cool. The bottle house. Blue Chip Saloon. Antiques. Gone hunting. There's the Opera House. Horse in the shop. This is the flat color profile once again.
Yes, Mom, take it.
Gone hunting. What's up, Cuba? And me. There's not enough for the two of us. You're gonna take me down. I don't know how they say it in the West movies, but this town's not big enough for the two of us. I think that's what it is.
What's this place called?
Not enough for the two of us. And here we got the jackalope.
I bought sunflowers the other day for my house.
Thing's big.
And I come here and see it. That's cute. I like that. Save it.
Oh, Joe? Am I going to Facebook, Joe?
Come on, buddy.
Apparently I'm being arrested. See if there's any ghost activity in here. If there's any ghosts in there, let me know. because it's October and it's almost Halloween, we're gonna go ahead and bring you a spooky swamp over here in Wimberley, Texas. Let me know if y'all see any ghosts in the comments. All right, time. We're about to go get some food, but first we're gonna take a picture by this boot over here.
I read something about hummingbirds taking them. You can see both of them from here. Oh, okay. Good call, dude.
Sunflower, butterfly.
There's another one over there.
And a hummingbird.
I'm hungry now.
All right, so we're gonna eat at Eno's. We're in Wimberley still, so downtown Wimberley. They have a lake over here.
Here we are celebrating Maddie's birthday. She's 68,
No.
66.
Yes. It's just another manic Monday. Whoa, whoa. I wish it was Monday. Whoa, whoa. Cause that's Yep.
Cheers, everyone.
It's the birthday girl! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear mommy! Happy birthday to you! Let's go, yeah! Wow.
All right, we're back at Magnolia. It's been a few years, but we're back. We're just checking it out. It looks like it's closed, so we're just gonna take some pictures. All right, bye. All right, so this seems to be a good spot to end the video. So if y'all watch, please like and subscribe for Mandalario. Comment down below if you have any thoughts on future videos. So let me know in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching. Appreciate it. All right, guys, where are we going?
Home. But we had fun. We had fun, but we miss our baby.